Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be transforming my hair from these 3 strands braids into a braid out style, guys, and it's my second time doing this. I hope I get it right this time along, so stay tuned. Kindly watch to the very end. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Also, please do give this video a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this style. So to begin, I'm going to moisturize my hair. I'll just spray a little bit of water onto my hair to make it kind of manageable. Then I'm going ahead to just unbraid the 3 strand braids as you see me doing here. And I must make sure that I'll be so very much gentle to the hair. I don't want to break any hair strands, and I also don't want to lose my curls. So I'm going to be so very much gentle on how I'm unbraiding the hair. Guys, to say that I was so happy at this point, like, it's just an understatement. I was so very much excited at the results. Like, I didn't know it would come out this good. Guys, I so much loved it, and I was over the moon, just jumping around and everything. I just loved all of this. And being a lazy natural, as they call it, I don't always like working on my natural hair, but this style just gave me the morale to just love my hair some more and do a lot on my hair. So I'm going to seal in and moisture again with the castor oil. I'm just going to moisten my hands so that it doesn't become brittled onto the hair, causing damage or anything. Then I'm just going to kind of separate the hair a little bit to give it that volume and just a little bit of puff and texture to it. So that's what I'm going to do. And as I separate the curls, I'm going to do that very gently, and I'm going to do that on the lines that are naturally there. I won't force the curls to kind of break apart because I don't want to lose the curl pattern. If you're still watching to this point, that means absolutely just one thing to me. It means that you are enjoying watching this. Kindly let me know that by clicking the like button, like this video. Also drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. So now I'm going to go in with my white tooth comb to just pick at the roots. This will make the hair more voluminous and more fluffy. And guys, I don't have a pick comb, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to do this. I'm not going to tamper with the curl patterns or anything, so I'm just going to do this real quick and I'll come ahead and show you the results. Guys, this will be so amazing. Before the final results, guys, I must let you in on the struggles that I had working on my hair. Like, it was such a struggle for me to just get this hair lie in the perfect shape or form. I usually do struggle, as I said earlier, I usually do struggle working on my natural hair. I'm such a lazy natural. So guys, struggling is part of working on the hair, but you must just make sure you be so very gentle while at it, and you'll get the process as you go ahead. It's not cast on stone that you must get it right at the very first trial, so it's okay. After all that struggle, at last, here is the result, guys. And I must just tell you that I so very much love it, even though it's not the perfect style, but I just love what I did. I hope you also did enjoy this. Like, guys, I'm just amazed at what I can do with my hair. I really did a lot of styles, though they were not coming out perfectly, but I'm just so happy that at least I got to do this. I don't always wear my natural hair out. I'm always in a protective style. I'm always hiding my hair under a braid or something, or an extension, but today I'm so glad I managed to do this, and I think I'll wear my hair out more often. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you so very much for watching up to this point. I hope you did enjoy everything. Kindly make sure you like this video. Don't drop out before liking this video. Make sure you also comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my braid out. Let me know what you think about my natural hair or just the general video. Let me know your thoughts. Also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Join the family so that we may keep learning and just enjoying each other's company. Let's become a family together. So until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.